The BMW i5 is a new electric vehicle from the German automaker. It is the electric version of the 5 Series sedan, and it is scheduled to go on sale in 2023. Exterior: the i5 has a sleek and aerodynamic design. It features a long hood, a short rear overhang, and a sloping roof line. The front end is dominated by a large kidney grille, which is flanked by 2 slim headlights. The side profile is characterized by strong lines and muscular wheel arches. The rear end features a set of LED taillights and a diffuser. Interior: the i5's interior is luxurious and spacious. It features a digital instrument cluster, a large touchscreen infotainment system, and a variety of high-quality materials. The front seats are supportive and comfortable, and the rear seats offer plenty of legroom and headroom. Bumper: the i5's front bumper is made of lightweight and durable materials. It features a large air intake, which helps to cool the battery pack. The rear bumper is also made of lightweight and durable materials. It features a diffuser, which helps to improve aerodynamics. Headlights: the i5's headlights are full LED units. They provide excellent illumination in all weather conditions. The headlights also feature a distinctive design, which helps to set the i5 apart from other vehicles. Dashboard: the i5's dashboard is clean and uncluttered. It features a digital instrument cluster, a large touchscreen infotainment system, and a variety of buttons and knobs. The dashboard is made of high-quality materials, and it is assembled with precision. Backlight: the i5's taillights are full LED units. They provide excellent visibility in all weather conditions. The taillights also feature a distinctive design, which helps to set the i5 apart from other vehicles. Seats: the i5's front seats are supportive and comfortable. They feature a variety of adjustments, which allows drivers to find the perfect position. The rear seats offer plenty of legroom and headroom. The seats are made of high-quality materials, and they are assembled with precision. Engine: the i5 is powered by an electric motor that produces 469 horsepower and 531 pounds-feet of torque. The motor is powered by a battery pack that has a range of up to 300 miles. Wheels: the i5 comes standard with 19-inch alloy wheels. However, buyers can upgrade to 20-inch or 21-inch alloy wheels. The wheels are available in a variety of finishes, including silver, black, and gray. Horsepower: the i5's electric motor produces 469 horsepower. This is enough power to accelerate the i5 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.0 seconds. The BMW i5 is a new electric vehicle from the German automaker. It is the electric version of the 5 Series sedan, and it is scheduled to go on sale in 2024. The i5 has a sleek and aerodynamic design, a luxurious and spacious interior, and a powerful electric motor.